Hello, I'm Namji. Today we are going to study double consonants. In the previous video, we learned about the 14 single Korean consonants. If you haven't watched the previous video, I suggest that you watch it before studying double consonants. In Korean, there are 5 double consonants. The name of this alphabet is 기, 역, 기역. When two 기역s are together, it becomes 쌍. 쌍 means double. 쌍, 기, 역. This one is 디귿. Two 디귿 becomes 쌍, 디귿. Next one is 비읍. Two 비읍 becomes 쌍, 비읍. This alphabet is 시옷. Two 시옷 becomes 쌍, 시옷. The last one is 지읒. Two 지읒 becomes 쌍, 지읒. 쌍기역 sounds 끄, 끄. 쌍디귿 sounds 뜨, 뜨. 쌍비읍 sounds 뿌, 뿌. 쌍시옷 sounds 스, 스. 쌍지읒 sounds 쯔, 쯔. Let's practice with the vowel A together. 까, 까. 따, 따. 빠, 빠. 싸, 싸. 짜, 짜. The example word of using this one is 꼬, 끼, 오. It's the chicken sound in Korean. Next one is 또, 봐, which means see you again. 또 봐, 또 봐. The example word of 쌍비읍 is 오빠, 오빠. When a girl calls an older brother, we say 오빠, 오빠. Next one is 싸이, 싸이. 싸이 is a Korean singer famous for Gangnam Style. The last one is 짜, 짜, which means salty. Oh, 짜, 짜. Thank you for watching this video. I will teach you 21 Korean vowels in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye! 안녕!